This is a quick tutorial on how to never run out of blog ideas using AI. After you sign up, you come to the dashboard of this AI tool. We will use this AI tool to come up with blog ideas, blog outlines, and the whole article. As you can see, there are many features here, but today we will use the article and blogs features. So first of all, we need to go to AI article ideas. This is really cool. You can come up with many blog ideas in just a few seconds. So let's just go ahead and I will show you. You need to know what's your topic, and today let's do AI and tech and see what it will bring us. So the keyword, let's say AI and tech, same thing. And you can choose the tone of voice. Excited sounds good. English and premium. You can choose how many outputs you want. I want to get like 5 ideas, and all of these will be saved in your dashboard, so you'll have it later on as well. So that was so fast, and this tool came up with 5 amazing ideas in just a few seconds. So we can choose any of them and go to the next step. So let's see which one I would like to actually use. Sounds good. Let's do this. You can just copy it from here or directly have access to it later. So we go to AI article writers. There are a few options. There is one with 3,000 words and one with 1,500 words, and I think that would be enough for us today. Let's go ahead and use that AI article writer. And the only thing we have to do is just paste our topic of the blog, and that's it. And here you can choose how many outputs you want for the ideas. Let's just have 2 of them. And from here we go to again, it gave us some more unique titles. I like the first one. Then we can generate some intros for our article. So let's go ahead and do that. And here you can read which intro you like more. I like the first one, and let's go ahead and generate some outlines for this article. So once you have your outline, you can even edit it as well. You can choose what you want. You can remove some of them, and you can adjust it as you like. And then we click on generate article. This is so cool. It's just writing the article just in front of you, and it takes just few minutes or a few seconds even to come up with 1,500 words, and you can publish it directly from here to your WordPress page or your blogs and Zapier, or you can just copy it to the editor of your choice and use it as you like. There you go. We have our article in just less than a minute. We have 1,500 words, and then it gives you an image as well, which you can use it with using the image source over here, or you can just add your image to it and publish it to wherever you like. And this is the end of this quick tutorial. So just use the free link below to sign up for this amazing tool.